Today I'm going to show you guys a meal that's great for brunch, lunch, or dinner. We're going to do a sliced steak. For our steak over here, we have hanger steak, or you can use flank steak. Cut it into 6 to 8 ounce portions. We're going to make a salsa verde, or green fresh sauce, in our food processor to go on top of that. So we have a cast iron skillet. Jesse Palmer's going to cook up our steaks, hanger steak or flank steak, cut to 6 to 8 ounce portions. These guys are going to cook until they're perfectly, oh, he's beautiful.
Yeah, he's beautiful.
Until they're perfectly crusted with this reddish brown color. A lot, and I mean a lot. A giant bundle of flat leaf parsley or 2 small bundles. I'm adding to the food processor. I put in the zest of 1 lemon because we're going to use lemon juice in this as well. To that, we add less, like a fat handful of mint. Sounds weird, makes all the difference in the world. 2 fat cloves of garlic, 1 large shallot or half of a small onion. And then our natural salts, our brined capers, about 3 tablespoons.
So good.
And you put in a couple of flat fillet of anchovy, and it's just this natural, delicious, salty flavor in the background of your salsa verde. A little splash of Worcestershire, and a little wine vinegar, red or white, whatever you have in the pantry. Now we're going to put in the juice of the half of a lemon that we zested.
Just give it that acidity.
Yep, a nice pop. And then pulse it till it looks, like a pesto. And then you're gonna stream in extra virgin olive oil until the sauce just comes together. And that's it. You're gonna love this, Jess. I'm gonna get the fried green tomatoes out of the oven and we'll plate up right after this. So here's our sliced hanger steaks. We're gonna douse it with some charred lemon juice. So over the sliced steak, after you rest it, we rest it so that the juices can distribute. We then slide our salsa verde over the top.